To solve this error, an error was encountered. Try again. So, to solve this error on your X application, first you need to check your internet connection is working properly or not. If you are using Wi-Fi, check the internet access is there on your Wi-Fi or not. Try running any other app like YouTube or something. You can check your internet is working properly or not. Or if you are using mobile data, then make sure your data is there or not, your internet is working or not. If the problem is not related to internet or Wi-Fi, then you need to follow these steps. First, long press on your X application, tap on this icon, this I button, then click on force stop, click on OK. Now tap on storage, click on clear cache. If you remember your X application password, then click on clear data. If you do not remember the password, then do not click on clear data. Just go back, click on permission, and make sure all permissions are allowed. Sometimes problem is related to permissions, so make sure all the necessary permissions are allowed. Now make sure this is toggle off, pause app activity if unused. So when you enable this, it will pause app activity in background, so the internet is not accessed by background. So sometime problem is related to this, so make sure this is toggle off. Now go back. If you are using mobile data, then tap on mobile data and make sure these two is toggle on, allow background data usage and allow data usage while data saver is on. Whenever someone on data saver, it will not consume your data, so you get that error because of this. So make sure these two are toggle on. By doing all these steps, your problem is still not solved, then simply restart your device. Whatever device you are using, just restart it and try again. So hope by doing all these steps your problem is solved. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.